Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's latest leap into the world of spatial computing. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm excited to share my honest thoughts, its uses, and whether it's worth the hype. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what the Apple Vision Pro actually is. It's not just a VR headset or an AR device. It's a mix of both, creating what Apple calls a spatial computing experience. It's designed to blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly, and honestly, it does that pretty well. The build quality is what you'd expect from Apple. Premium materials, sleek design, and a comfortable fit, though it's a bit on the heavier side compared to some other headsets out there. One of the standout features is the display. The resolution is stunning, crisp, clear, and vibrant. It feels like you're looking at a 4K screen right in front of your eyes. The pass-through feature, which lets you see your surroundings while using the device, is incredibly sharp and responsive. It's not perfect. There's a slight lag and some distortion at the edges, but it's one of the best I've seen in any AR/VR device. Now, let's talk about its uses. For productivity, this thing is a game changer. Imagine having multiple virtual screens floating in front of you. You can work on a spreadsheet, check emails, and watch a tutorial, all at the same time without needing a physical monitor. It's perfect for remote workers or anyone who needs a portable workstation. The eye tracking and hand gestures are intuitive, though there's a bit of a learning curve to get used to them. Entertainment is where the Vision Pro truly shines. Watching movies or playing games feels like you're in your own private theater. The immersive experience is incredible, and the spatial audio makes it feel like the sound is coming from all around you. It's not just about consuming content though. You can also create apps like 3D design tools and music production software are taking full advantage of the spatial computing capabilities. Another great use is fitness and wellness. There are apps that guide you through workouts or meditation sessions in immersive environments. It's like having a personal trainer or yoga instructor right in your living room. The only downside is that the headset isn't the most comfortable for high-intensity workouts, but for light exercises, it's fantastic. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Apple Vision Pro is expensive, and for many, it might be hard to justify the cost. It's definitely not for everyone, especially if you're just looking for casual entertainment. But if you're someone who's into cutting-edge tech, a professional looking for a productivity boost, or a creator exploring new ways to work, this could be a worthwhile investment. To wrap it up, the Apple Vision Pro is an impressive piece of technology with a lot of potential. It's not without its flaws. It's pricey, a bit heavy, and some features are still in their early stages. But if you're willing to embrace the future of spatial computing, this device offers a glimpse into what's possible. It's not perfect, but it's a solid first step from Apple into this space. Apple's Vision Pro is set to be the next big thing in the world of augmented reality. This groundbreaking device promises to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and the world around us. With its advanced AR capabilities, the Vision Pro is set to blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. One of the key features of the Vision Pro is its ability to seamlessly integrate with other Apple devices, such as the iPhone and iPad. This integration allows for a truly immersive experience, as users can easily switch between devices and continue their activities without missing a beat. The Vision Pro also boasts impressive battery life, ensuring that you can enjoy your AR experience for hours on end. And let's not forget about the stunning display, which is sure to provide a crystal clear and immersive viewing experience. Let's start with the technology inside this device. The Apple Vision Pro is powered by the M2 chip, the same one used in some of Apple's latest Macs, along with a dedicated R1 chip for real-time sensor processing. This combination ensures everything runs smoothly, from tracking your movements to rendering high-quality visuals. The result? A seamless experience that feels futuristic yet intuitive. One of the standout features is the eye tracking technology. It's incredibly precise. Just look at an icon or button, and it responds instantly. Pair that with hand gestures, and you've got a completely new way to interact with technology. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it works surprisingly well. That said, it does take some time to get used to, especially if you're not familiar with gesture-based controls. Another highlight is the pass-through feature. Unlike traditional VR headsets that completely block your surroundings, the Vision Pro uses high-resolution cameras to blend the real world with digital content. This makes it perfect for augmented reality experiences. For example, you can place virtual objects in your physical space, like a 3D model on your desk or a virtual screen on your wall. The quality is impressive, though it's not perfect. There's a slight lag and some distortion at the edges of your vision. Switch to you using the Vision Pro for creative work. Now, let's talk about creativity. The Vision Pro opens up a whole new world for creators. Imagine editing a video or designing a 3D model in a fully immersive environment. Apps like Final Cut Pro and Adobe's Creative Suite are already exploring ways to integrate with the Vision Pro, and the possibilities are endless. It's like having an infinite canvas where you can manipulate digital objects with your hands. For artists, designers, and filmmakers, this could be a game changer. Communication is another area where the Vision Pro shines. FaceTime calls feel next level with spatial audio and realistic avatars that mimic your facial expressions. It's not just a video call. It's like the person is right there in the room with you. This could revolutionize remote work and personal connections, making virtual interactions feel more natural and engaging. Entertainment is where the Vision Pro truly excels. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or exploring immersive content, the experience is unlike anything else. The spatial audio makes you feel like you're in the middle of the action, and the high-resolution display ensures everything looks stunning. Apps like Disney Plus and Apple TV are already optimized for the Vision Pro, offering unique viewing experiences that you can't get anywhere else. Looking ahead, the potential for the Apple Vision Pro is enormous. Think about education. Students could take virtual field trips or interact with 3D models of historical artifacts. In healthcare, doctors could use it for training or even performing remote surgeries. The possibilities are endless, and as developers create more apps, the Vision Pro will only become more versatile. To wrap it up, the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a headset. It's a glimpse into the future of technology. It's not perfect, and it's definitely not for everyone, especially at its current price point. But for those who are willing to embrace this new era of spatial computing, it's an incredibly powerful tool with endless possibilities. Whether you're a creator, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast, the Vision Pro is worth keeping an eye on. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Apple Vision Pro, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Vision Pro and how you'd use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.